Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel for another video. It is the Matrix Codebreaker signing in, and before we get into it, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button and smash the notification bell to all notifications so that you are aware when I upload. So as you have read from the title below, today I'll be doing CSS vertical alignment. The CSS vertical align properties set an element's vertical alignment, and the most commonly used values are top, middle, and bottom. So now let us get started. Now that you have a simple understanding of vertical aligning, and I'll go ahead and open my CSS folder and open my index.html text document with both Sublime and Google Chrome as the usual, or as per usual. So as always, I'll start with Google Chrome, and okay, while that loads, I'll open it with Sublime Text. Let's see. Okay, so it's kind of okay, it's open now with Google Chrome. Now let's see if it's gonna open. Okay, let me just open it again. It's Sublime. Oh, it did. Okay, never mind that. So now let's actually get started. So let's start by adding some HTML first of all. And as you can see, there's something different over here. This is Java. So lately I've been doing Java. So yeah, that's just maybe the basics of how Java looks. So now below this line breaker tag, I'm going to add a div and another div within that div with a paragraph. So let's just say, so this is just to show you how it looks when a text is vertically aligned. So I'll say this is a vertically aligned text. Full stop. This is a vertically aligned text, and I have to give both of these a class, and the first one a class of main, and then the next one a class of let's say paragraph. So paragraph, and there we go. And just go ahead and save that and go to my CSS and add some CSS maybe at the bottom, and I'll start by styling my main. So main, and as always, to target a class you use a period, and to target a ID you use a number sign or a hashtag. Then the curly braces, and I'll start with styling the height, which I'll make it let's say roughly 200 pixels, and always at the end the semicolon, never forget that one. And now the width, I'll make that double the height, so 400 pixels, and obviously the semicolon. And then now after the width, would like to put a background color and obviously a display of how it should look. So I'll start by adding a background color, of, I'll go with coral. By the way, this is a orangish color. Yeah, it's like orange yellow color. And then now I should add a display. So display of inline table, dash table, and the semicolon at the end. And then now I'm done styling the class named main. Now I'm gonna style the class named paragraph. And obviously the curly braces, and within this, so there won't be as much styling in this. It's just going to be a display and the vertical align. So display of table dash cell, table cell, and the semicolon, and then next vertical align, of, let's start with since I said there's top, middle, and bottom, I think I'll start with, let me just go with middle and save this and reload. Okay, this didn't align, but let me see why not. Maybe now it's gonna work. So Control S and then Control S. Yes. So now, okay, I'm missing an A. Let me quickly fix my spelling. And now you can see that compared to before, you saw that this sentence was at the top of this coral square, but now it's in the middle. So now that's basically what I wanted to show you, and that's how text is vertically aligned. So you have made it to the end of the video, and I would like to remind you to subscribe and hit that notification bell to all notifications, and please do leave the video with a like. Thanks for watching, and this is the Matrix Code Breaker signing out.